Hello everyone, my name is Lucas. I'm really glad to present to you my hard work for last 6 months over here in the University of Alberta. I'm the CEO from Ecomiles. It's an exchange platform that allows exchange for green miles to products in my marketplace. So I can bet that you already have some mobility issues when you're just trying to walk around without safety, drive in heavy traffic, or even taking a public transport overcrowded. You are inside a market of more than 700K people who shares stressful roads here in Edmonton, Alberta, and it's not a sustainable behavior. Only 1% of this market feels comfortable to choose green ways of transportation and ride a bike instead of drive a car. Well, do you know why? Of course you guys know why. It's because being sustainable is hard. Being sustainable is hard. It's not that easy. It's not comfortable to ride in cold. It's not comfortable to choose a bike instead your hot but warm car, right? So that's the challenge of Ecomiles trying to solve. Through gamification, we engage people to choose for green means of transportation instead of polluted ones. And then they can accumulate miles for products inside our platform. All that our user need to do is just a check-in and a check-out. Done. They already accumulated miles inside our platform. But also they can interact with each other, collecting miles from their friends in social media, and also compete inside a Grand Prix that we call a competition for sustainability. Well, we are already figured it out that RIDE can solve more than one problem. When that's what happened in our first version of MVP tested in São Paulo, my hometown. Actually, two girls from São Paulo just decided to row together, instead taking a public transport to avoid harassment issues inside of them. So this is one of our insights that makes our orange shine. It's important to tell to our partnership and profitability, right? How we make money. There's three ways. The first one is the freemium platform, who allows users premium, paid users to get more exchange, more conversion taxes, more products, more badges, more everything through our gamification. And also for companies, so it's B2B, B2C. Also for companies, we just sell information of the traffic data for the companies, and they can buy gamification, just doubling the miles of their location, or sharing a QR code inside the store. It's just kind of online to offline model, right? And also the partners for marketplace, we just want to monetize by advertising. Well, it's important to tell for you that we are observing the market. We know where we are, because Ecomiles doesn't seem to be the same miles exchange programs of Air Miles or something like that. You just need to ride, and no, you don't need to pay for getting discounts later. You don't need to enroll money. You don't need to involve money in this, right? So this is how we share, just because of two reasons. First of all, we are the first miles in urban mobility, and second, we do this through gamification. So this is our differential. So it's important to say, and this is our results. The last 3 months, we gathered more than 300 leads inbound, and we selected more than 10,000 MVP profiles to test our solution and test our first version of application. Well, another thing that's important to say is our milestones. Our first milestone was in Social Innovation Award Championship, in 2019, last year, a few days ago, actually, in ISPER, São Paulo. That's a huge college over there. But also, we were a finalist of Santander University Entrepreneur Award for 2019, and it was a huge bank over Brazil. Well, my background here, sharing with you guys, actually, I'm a food engineering by University of São Paulo, and I have background for market research and deep experience in consultancy by TAC Food School. And also, I'm alumni from Social Enterprises as an Actors. It's a group of university and entrepreneurship. So, my teammates in Brazil are located in Santa Rita do Sapucaí, in Minas Gerais. So this is how we work. My CTO and my COO is over there. It's Daniel and Mateus. David and Mateus. Well, our product roadmap is distributed some field strategies. Well, we have reaching the goal for users and reaching more users through digital marketing, but also we want to develop some updates for our prototype. For this, we also think that it is important to perform a high team building. So without this, we would not, we definitely would not reach the final goal, that is reach 5K of active users in 12 months. This is our final goal, and this is how we think that is challenging for us too. Well, everything that I present to you is Ecomiles. You guys just realized that we do not want to reinvent the wheel. We just want to make the best use for it. So that's Ecomiles, right for it. Thank you.